ऑडियो शॉर्टहैंड डॉट कॉम में आपका स्वागत है। 5 seconds. Start. So, I would suggest for the consideration of the minister that a special wing be established in the planning commission to study and prepare schemes for such reasons. Today, only 7 states have informed as per indicators about these reasons, and even then I would submit that a special wing may be constituted in the planning commission to study and prepare schemes for such reasons. This wing should not merely prepare schemes, but it must at the same time also watch the implementation of the schemes that are meant for such reasons. The Planning Commission must direct that a special provision be made and priority given to all the schemes for such reasons. The economic development of such a region depends upon the building up of economic overheads in that particular region, and you will find, as I have given certain figures, that in so far as Marathwada area is concerned, there is lack of such economic overheads. Therefore, industries are not coming up, and since industries are not coming up, other developments are also falling short. So, I would request that consideration may be given to constituting a special wing in the Planning Commission for the underdeveloped areas. Coming to the Ministry of Education, what I find is that the Ministry of Education has been going after too many things. It is going after too many changes and also too many experimentations. I think the time has come when we should stop this policy of going after too many changes and too many experimentations in the field of education. It is because of this that we have not been able to achieve, after 18 years of freedom, a common pattern throughout the country. I think a plea has already been made by a lady member about the pattern. Different patterns exist in different states of our country. One does not know what has happened to the educational objectives that have been incorporated in the different reports with regard to primary education, secondary education, and college education. Nobody has tried to peruse as to how far the educational objectives that have been incorporated in these reports have been put through in the different states. As far as I know, basic education is not being worked in the spirit in which it ought to be, and there are different misconceptions about it. So, it should be seen by the Education Ministry that instead of going after too many changes and too many experimentations, they concentrate and see that at least a common pattern of education at the primary level, the secondary level, and the college level is evolved throughout the country. Thank you.